U.S. home building tumbled in April and permits fell, suggesting the housing market continued to tread water amid shortages of land and skilled labor. Housing starts dropped 3.7% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 1.287 million units in April, the Commerce Department said on Wednesday. The decline reveed March's rise. Data for March was Rev.2 shows starts rising to a 1.336 million unit rate ahead of the previously reported 1.319 million unit pace. Building permits fell 1.8% to a rate of 1.352 million units last month. Economists polled by Reute had forecast housing starts decreasing to a pace of 1.310 million units last month, and permits declining to a 1.350 million unit rate. Starts fell in the Northeast, West and Midwest, but rose in the South. U.S. financial markets were little moved by the data. 仅 DW chart weights 100 height 500 px border none padding top 32 px box sizing border box mass box sizing border box webkit box sizing reader box single family home building, which accounts for the largest share of the housing market, edged up 0.1% to a rate of 894,000 units last month. Single-family home building has lost momentum since setting a 948,000 subtract unit pace last November, which was the strongest in more than a year. Last month's gain in single-family starts was outpaced by an 11.3% decline in groundbreaking activity on multi-family housing units. Residential construction has been hamstrung by rising prices for building materials and shortages of land and skilled work, while a survey on Tuesday showed confidence among single-family home build put-up in May. Build complained that the record high cost of lumber is hurting build bottom lines and making it more difficult to produce competitively priced houses for newcomers to the market. The Trump administration in April last year imposed anti-subsidy duties on imports of Canadian softwood lumber. These cautions have left builders unable to plug an acute shortage of houses on the market, restraining home sales growth. Investment in home building was flat in the fifth quarter after growing at a 12.8% annualized rate in the October-December quarter. Last month, permits for the construction of single-family homes rose 0.9% to a rate of 85,900 units in April. Permits for multi-family units fell 6.3% to a 49,300 unit pace. The number of single-family units completed fell 4.0% in April. Single-family units under construction increased 1.0% to the highest level since June 2020.